Welcome back to my channel this morning. Quick. So last month was actually a bad month for me. Like towards the end of this November, I was kind of losing trade, and you know my trade coming back to stop me at break even. I've not mostly hit take profit. Okay, so I didn't really give up, and I didn't change my strategy. So this is the reason why you shouldn't change the strategy that you are using because of the way market is doing. Because of course we all know that market is dynamic. Market can't really give you anything that you want. You always react based on what you're seeing in the market. Okay, so that's the reason why you have to trust your system. You have to trust what you're working with. You have to come to the market, and if you don't see what you're looking for, you just have to leave it so that you can actually leave to trade another day. If you force a trade, if you actually force a trade, you're going to lose and you're going to feel bad. Trust me. So, and this is December. This is like the last month of this year. We really thank God that we're here. And the truth is that I didn't actually achieve the whole goal that I actually want, but I can tell you there is actually an improvement, a lot of improvement. Okay, so you can actually know how far you can actually go if you don't really give up. But if you give up because of how things are, because of how the way you're doing things, the only thing that you should do is just to like calm down and find out what you're not doing right, and you correct it. Okay, you continue to move forward. Somebody like me, you can't come to my cycle with that kind of energy because I don't really know how to give up. Okay, we are stuck in this game, right, until we actually get to the point where we've because when we actually start trading, we didn't just start it because we feel like. Maybe probably you do, but what actually made me to start trading, even God is involved. So that's the reason why I must have to. And you know that whichever field you find yourself, you must have to persevere. Like you must have to continue to push even when it feels like it's not working. You have to like continue. You can only win where you don't give up. That's the truth. You can only win where you don't give up. So this thing has been happening to me. I wasn't. Some people, taking a trade and they are winning, but me, it wasn't okay for me. Okay, it wasn't. My trading wasn't going really well the way it used to. So this second day of this is the second day of December. All right. So I'm making this video. So I saw this trade. I actually analyzed my chart last week, and I waited for my setup, and I wasn't looking at all the setup that I actually analyzed. They left. I didn't take any of them, and that feels bad when you spend your time to analyze the market, and after that you actually do what you want. Okay, it's not a good place to be. Okay, so but I just allowed it because you can't force it, and if you try to force it, you're going to lose. Okay, so I just allowed everything, and I woke up this morning. I actually it was 7:15. Okay, it's already in London session in the morning, so I actually saw GBPUSD on my very sharp level, and this is the kind of setup that I actually like to trade. And of course it gave me a double bottom on a 30 minutes and 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on my chart, so I actually find it was very, very okay. I said, okay, I'm gonna be risking a certain amount of money in this trade, and trust me guys, it was a win. Right, it was a win. I'm actually in a massive profit right now, and the truth is that I'll be going for burial next week. This week, probably like 3 days from today, I'll be traveling to a village for a burial of my own. I just thought of sharing this with you guys, and of course I'm going to be showing you the way I actually analyze the market and the way I actually got this entry so that you can actually replicate the same thing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my video here on YouTube, my name is Aloysius, and you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that you can actually get notified whenever I drop such content so that you come and watch. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Quick one, let us proceed to my chart so that I can actually show you just the way I say it so that I can actually replicate the same thing and get the same result. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Honestly speaking, there is a need for us to stick to our plans, right? Like you see, this GPUSD, I actually want to drop this quick analysis because of some other things that I'm doing. Now you can clearly see that this is on our daily time frame. I actually analyzed this market a few days ago. Okay, I was just waiting for a setup to come. Okay, the truth is that market won't always give you what you want every time, so you have to be patient enough, okay, for you to be able to see the setup that you actually want, because of course you are working with a system, and if you don't see it, there is no reason why you should be taking any trade from the market. Okay, so I plotted those very levels. You can see from here market has been making a higher high, higher highs and higher lows. If you're a newbie, you should learn technical analysis and make sure you are okay with market structure. Okay, is basically how market is actually moving, whether it's going up or it's going down or sideways consolidation. We have three market. We actually have three market scenario, which is uptrend, downtrend, and probably choppy market or consolidation. Okay, so uptrend is probably when market is going up, and downtrend is actually when market is coming down. Here are a few examples of that. We already know. Okay, so when market is actually going up sideways, this is a perfect example of it, just like this. This is a perfect example of it. You see, it's not actually going down, it's not going up either. Okay, you can actually see it was just on a range. Touches here, come down, touches here, go up, touches here, come down from here, touches here again, break it and continue going up. Okay, so let me take it out so that our chart will not be full of lines. All right, so these are the few ones that I'm making use of it right now. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame. You can actually see right from here, market was traveling up. This is a double bottom from here, and it started going up from here. It started, dollar started gaining strength, and it started moving. Otherwise, as of last week, market was just coming down. Okay, it was just making a downward movement. You can actually see that from my data. Okay, look at from this zone, it was just coming down. It was just making a downward move from here. I actually lost some money in the market. Okay, and this is a new month. This is a December month. Okay, the truth is that I actually lost some money last month in the market, but I think I'm coming up right now. All right, so this is actually the first trade I'm taking on my account this new month. Today is 2nd of December. Okay, I'm making this video. You can actually see on 1 hour time frame, market is equally making a higher high. So you get to this very level, it goes up, it went up, create a high. Unfortunately, this high is not just higher than this previous high, so it came down again, bounces off this resistance. Because normally I say if this market break this very resistance that is here, if it break this resistance that is here, then I will be looking to take a sell from here. But lo and behold, give us a double bottom that is at this point. So I actually share this very setup on my Fleet Telegram channel. So if you would like to be a part of it, you can actually join. The link is in the description. So when I found out that this market is actually rejecting this zone, it was actually after 7 actually clicked, and it's actually London session in the morning. Okay, so okay, I said fine, I'm gonna be taking my buy from this very zone because of this double bottom that I actually formed from here. As I'm gonna be taking my buy, and I'm gonna be targeting only 30 pip, as you can see. So I'm risking only 14 pip on this very trade, and now it's actually going up. So I executed this trade because of what? This market bounces up from here. There is an inverse head and shoulder from this point, so it went up and create a high, but it's not higher than this previous high. Okay, so market traveled down to this very support zone, and this is a place that this market bounces off from, and it was going up. And so I'm making use of this very present support here because there is no other support that is around this zone. And of course, it was tested here. It was acting as a resistance at this point. Here it was acting as a support resistance because it broke it, tested it, and broke it again before it goes up. So here it was acting as a support zone. Okay, you can actually see the market touches it and bounces up, and it was going up. So it get to this resistance, it broke it, but it couldn't close above to continue going up. It still came down. Sorry about that. It still came down to this very level that it bought from previously. Okay, so I said fine, I'm gonna be taking my buy from this very level, and I'm gonna be targeting this very zone. And lo and behold, I'm actually in profit, in massive profit right now. Okay, so if you go to 30 minutes time frame, you can actually see market was just going up. The double bottom, you can actually see it formed very clear. Okay, it formed very clear. So guys, I don't actually use I don't use ICT, I don't use SMC. What I actually read is a price action, and I understand the formulation of my candlestick and all that. So when I see, part of my confluences is that whenever I see whether bullish or bearish candlestick from 4 hour time frame on a very good support or resistance level, I should be shorting the market or I should be buying the market. This is the main reason why I actually executed this trade. And you can actually see if in a daily time frame there was a rejection from this zone. Okay, the market is bullish from here. It has been making a lower low so when market get to this level, it started going up. Okay, so when this market when market open, it normally goes down before it goes up. If we're in an uptrend, I always say this on my video, and if we're in a downtrend, market will tend to go up before it come down. Take note of that. So this is one of the things that make me to take this trade. Number one, you can actually see that this very play that is going up from was actually a support level. Okay, so market travel from the resistance point when market open, it came to this very support level, and buyers came in there, and this is this bullish candlestick that I actually joined this trade with. You can actually see it. So this bearish candlestick that formed this place is an indication that buyers, sellers, they don't really have much strength to push market lower. That is the reason why this candlestick was rejected. So I said, okay, I'm gonna be executing my trade from here based on what I'm seeing in the market. And just like that, guys, market started going up from here, and I'm actually expecting this market to go up more than this. But of course, I'll be going at once market hit my take profit, which is 30 pip or less. Trust me, I'm gonna be going out. No, there's no reason why for me to be greedy. Okay, I'm already in massive profit right now as I'm speaking. So I just thought of sharing this analysis with you guys. I hope this makes sense. I hope my chart makes sense to you. I hope you're able to gain something from this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Follow this my channel for more video like this. I'll catch you up on the next video. Peace out.